Hello everyone, welcome to a new video for Bitcoin price prediction, and this is an update video of course for what's going on inside a BTC. The psychology is very tense. I know that we are very close to the all-time high of Bitcoin, and we are very close even to the one-to-one flip level to hit it, of course, and towards the 100k scenario. However, on the daily chart, of course, we can see that we already hit almost the overbought area. However, that doesn't mean that it cannot break even more than this, right, or go higher more than this, because it can simply go have some rounds inside the overbought area. So it's very simple, but if we look at also at the 4-hour chart, is really very intense overbought area. However, even it can have a lot of candles inside it. The 1-hour chart looks already making its second round inside the overbought area. However, I don't think that RSI can be really taken so much into consideration, especially when we have a very strong bullish scenario, right? The things are very tense, to be honest, guys. The psychology is very high. We are very close to the all-time high. We are very close to a very overbought area. We are very close to invalidate our diagonal, right? If we touch the one-to-one flip level, this diagonal is gonna be invalidated, and that means we are in triple 1-2s here, and we might see a big massive wave 3 towards the upside. And this is how it works, guys. Be careful with it. So I know that it's a really hard situation and to make a decision here, even for me, guys, okay, even for me, to be honest, it's even I'm out, I don't know what to do, okay? It's very simple, just to be honest with you, because psychology, guys. The things is that if we look here at the 1-hour chart, as we said in the last scenario, we are looking for almost finished wave 5. I mean, your wave 5 should have finished inside this channel, and this channel, even the price action was looking very weak, and suddenly look what a kind of a price action. Like, the price was going weaker and touching the bottom line of this channel, and then going in a 90-degree. That's something like really intense, to be honest. Welcome to trading. So now in this 90-degree, we are looking to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now we still have one small wave to call 5 waves towards the upside, and calling that this 5th wave has finished in the white scenario. Now, would that really finish here? Because we broke really intensively our channel, and that means we have a very strong trend towards the upside. Everything tells us that is overbought from the 15 until the daily chart. We are very close to finish a 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5, and finish your all bullish scenario starting from this low, okay, all your 1-2s. And one more possible scenario that this might be playing a 1-2 as well. And if that is the case, then we definitely need a big wave 4. If that is the case, okay. If we played all these 1-2s, okay, and there is no wave 2, at least let's call this a wave 1, and then you want 2, and then 3, 4, 5, right? I mean, it's not possible to go from there directly towards the upside without even a wave 2, or even finishing a big wave 4, in case you are in a big 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5, right? Therefore, we need a wave 4 and 5 to say, okay, we can move on, or at least if this is your wave 1, because it's a big impulse, right? Then we need a wave 2 and then move towards the upside. I mean, wave 2, it can be even shallow, but I don't see any wave 2 yet, right? Any wave 2, any wave 4. We are very close as well to the invalidation of the diagonal. And in that case scenario, of course, we can say that we are already in a 1 and then 2 here, okay? But if we are in triple 1-2s, guys, you got your 1-2 and then you got your wave 3. If this is your wave 3, then you need 4, 5, definitely. This is what I'm saying, okay? If we are in 1, 2, and then 3 towards the upside, therefore your wave 1 definitely finished. It should be finished. I mean, this is the highest, right? So if this is your wave 1, then you need a wave 2 and then move towards the upside. By all means, guys, I mean, I know that it sounds like, like I'm looking for lower prices because of the psychology as well. And we see everything like in green on the RSI as well. And we broke our channel even here. We're going 90 degree towards the upside, and this is very, very intense, to be honest, and it's very hard to make a decision because we are very close to break our all-time high, and if we do this, we are very, very close to break it. And if we do this tonight, I mean, it's very obvious that we might, you might reverse from it, or you might break it to the top, okay? Now, you need to know that, the psychology of the market here is like very, very high because of the people that, the traders and Bitcoin, we want to reach the all-time high, we want to reach the 100K and blah, blah, blah. But be careful because this might be an over-evaluation an overvaluation of Bitcoin, okay? If it goes like this, it can be an overvaluation of Bitcoin because it can simply, go up, right? But it's gonna go down like crazy, right? Because if we don't really correct what's going on, that will be crazy. Okay, if we don't correct what is going on, I mean, if we are here as triple 1-2, you are here 1-2, and then of course your 1-2, your wave 3 should have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I don't see it yet, and this is too much to go directly towards the upside. This is what I feel like. It's too much to break, of course, like now the high and move on and so on without any correction. I see just a move towards the upside. I mean, this is nothing even. This is sideways, and then it moved 90 degree, right? Move sideways, 90 degree. So this is the thing, guys. I mean, for me, I prefer to stay a little bit outside to see what's going on because it's not really easy. It could be even just a fake out, and by all means with fake out is the psychology again, the amount of the traders that they think, Bitcoin is gonna reach the 100K just tomorrow, and the quantity of investment in this, and it might bring it high, very high, and then boom, crash, right? So this is overvaluation, and of course this is what RSI says, by the way, is when you see RSI totally in green, this is what does it mean, like there is overvaluation of this currency right now. Therefore I prefer to keep the things much more normal, like finish your diagonal, then wave 2, then move towards the upside. Or at least if you are 1-2, 1-2, 1-2, give us a signal, please. I mean, you cannot just go towards the 100K fib level directly. I mean, the confirmation of 100K just in one leg, that is really insane. right? So we need still kind of correction to tell us. We need data, right? We need data. Give us data. We need 3 corrective waves or 5 ways towards the downside. I need to make sure in this area, where are we? What the psychology is behind a correction, right? Is it gonna be impulsive, 5 waves, a zigzag, or is it gonna be corrective in 3 waves and then continuation? And therefore we get some data, but so far, nothing. So I cannot really say anything yet, guys, until we finish here. This is our wave 5 that it might finish soon, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 internally. So yeah, be careful with it as well. It is very close to our all-time high. So which it might be, yeah, a resistance, and also it might be a much more stronger trend because, as I said, yeah, the amount of investment in this. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes and comments. See you in the next one. Bye bye.